Chapter 1 Definitions B. Bathroom. An area including a sink with one or more of the following: a toilet, a urinal, a tub, a shower, a bidet, or similar plumbing fixtures. Battery. A single cell or group of cells connected together electrically in series, in parallel, or a combination of both. Battery. Flow. Flow battery. An energy storage component that stores its active material in the form of one or two electrolytes external to the reactor interface. When in use, the electrolytes are transferred between reactor and storage tanks. Battery. Seal. Sealed battery. A battery that has no provision for the routine addition of water or electrolyte or for external measurement of electrolyte-specific gravity and might contain pressure relief venting. Battery. Stationary standby. Stationary standby battery. A battery that spends the majority of the time on continuous flow charge or in a high state of charge, in readiness for a discharge event. Battery power lighting units. Individual unit equipment for backup illumination consisting of a rechargeable battery, a battery charging means, provisions for one or more lamps mounted on the equipment, or with terminals for remote lamps, or both, and a relaying device arranged to energize the lamps automatically upon failure of the supply to the unit equipment. Berth. The water space to be occupied by a boat or other vessel alongside or between bulkheads, piers, piles, fixed and floating docks, or any similar access structure. Bipolar circuit. A DC circuit that is comprised of two monopole circuits, each having an opposite polarity connected to a common reference point. Block. A square or portion of a city, town, or village enclosed by streets and including the alley so enclosed, but not any street. Boat yard. A facility used for constructing, repairing, servicing, hauling from the water, storing on land and in water, and launching of boats. Bodies of water. Artificially made bodies of water. Body of water that have been constructed or modified to fit some decorative or commercial purpose such as, but not limited to, aeration ponds, fish farm ponds, storm retention basins, treatment ponds, and irrigation channel facilities. Water depths may vary seasonally or be controlled. Bodies of water. Natural bodies of water. Bodies of water such as lakes, streams, ponds, rivers, and other naturally occurring bodies of water, which may vary in depth throughout the year. Bonding. Connected to establish electrical continuity and conductivity. Bonding conductor. Bonding jumper. A conductor that ensures the required electrical conductivity between metal parts that are required to be electrically connected. Bonding jumper. Equipment bonding jumper. The connection between two or more portions of the equipment grounding conductor. Bonding jumper. Main bonding jumper. The connection between the grounded circuit conductor and the equipment grounding conductor, or the supply side bonding jumper, or both. At the service, bonding jumper. Supply side bonding jumper. A conductor installed on the supply side of a service or within a service equipment enclosure S, or for a separately derived system, that ensures the required electrical conductivity between metal parts required to be electrically connected. Bonding jumper. System bonding jumper. The connection between the grounded circuit's conductor and the supply side bonding jumper, or the equipment grounding conductor, or both, as separately derived system. Border light. A permanently installed overhead strip light. Bottom shield. A protective layer that is installed between the floor and flat conductor cable type FCC to protect the cable from physical damage and may or may not be incorporated as an integral part of the cable. Branch circuit. The circuit conductors between the final overcurrent device protecting the circuit and the outlet S. Branch circuit. Appliance branch circuits. A branch circuit that supplies energy to one or more outlets to which appliances are to be connected and that has no permanently connected luminaires that are not part of an appliance. Branch circuit. General purpose branch circuit. A branch circuit that supplies two or more receptacles or outlets for lighting and appliances. Branch circuit. Individual branch circuit. A branch circuit that supplies only one utilization equipment. Branch circuit. Motor branch circuit. The circuit conductors, including equipment, between the motor branch circuit short circuit and ground fault protective device and an individual motor. Branch circuit. Multi-wire branch circuit. A branch circuit that consists of two or more undergrounded conductors that have a voltage between it and each undergrounded conductor of the circuit and that is connected to the neutral conductor of the system. Branch circuit selection current BCSC. The value in amperes to be used instead of the rated load current in determining the rating of motor branch circuit conductors, disconnecting means, controllers, and branch circuit short circuit and ground fault protection device wherever the running overload protective device permits a sustained current. The value of branch circuit selection current will always be equal to or greater than the marked rated load current. Breakout assembly. An adapter used to connect a multi-pole connector containing 2 or more branch circuits to multiple individual branch circuit connectors. Broadband. Wide bandwidth data transmission that transports multiple signals, protocols, and traffic types over various media types. Building. A structure that stands alone or that is separated from adjoining structures by firewalls. Building. Floating. Floating building. A building that floats on water, is moored in a permanent location, and has a premises wiring system served through connection by permanent wiring to an electrical supply system not located on the premises. Building manufactured. Manufactured building. Any building that is of closed construction and is made or assembled in manufacturing facilities on or off the building site for installation, or for assembly and installation on the building site, other than manufactured homes, mobile homes, park trailers, or recreational vehicles. Building component. Any subsystem, subassembly, or other system designed for use in or integral with or as part of a structure, which can include structural, electrical, mechanical, plumbing, and fire protection systems, and other systems affecting health and safety. Building system. Plans, specifications, and documentation for a system of manufactured building or for a type or a system of building components, which can include structural, electrical, mechanical, plumbing, and fire protection systems, and other systems affecting health and safety, and including such variations thereof as are specifically permitted by regulation, and which variations are submitted as part of the building system or amendment thereto. Bulkhead. A vertical structural wall, usually of stone, timber, metal, concrete, or synthetic material, constructed along and generally parallel to the shoreline to retain earth as an extension of the upland, and often to provide suitable water depth at the waterside face. Bull switch. An externally operated wall-mounted safety switch that can contain overcurrent protection and is designed for the connection of portable cables and cords. Bundle. Cables or conductors that are tied, wrapped, taped, or otherwise periodically bound together. Busbar. A non-insulated conductor electrically connected to the source of power and physically supported on an insulator providing a power rail for connection to utilization equipment, such as sensors, actuators, /V devices, low-voltage luminaire assemblers, and similar electrical equipment. Busbar support. An insulator that runs the length of a section of suspended ceiling bus rail that serves to support and isolate the bus bars from the suspended grid rail. Busway. A raceway consisting of a metal enclosure containing factory-mounted, bare or insulated conductors, which are usually copper or aluminum bars, drives, or tubes.